If you were to say, Jeff Mauro, what is the most fun food on the planet? I have one answer, and that answer is pepperoni. So I'm gonna make something melty, meaty, and fun to eat. This is my pepperoni pizza fondue.
Oh, you got 3 fun things there. Pepperoni, pizza, fondue, all 3 fun.
And what, can we add one more? Are you guys prepared for one?
Bread,
sausage, and everything we need. Alex will be my sous chef. You have the simplest job ever.
I love it.
I want you to cut those links of cooked, perfectly roasted. We just threw them on a sheet pan in the oven. Italian sausage, sweet, because this is, we're keeping the kids in mind, into bite-sized pieces that will handle the little skewer.
Jeff?
Now I'm gonna make a fondue base here. We got some whole milk.
Oh.
Turn it up.
Different.
So we're gonna do a little cornstarch slurry here, simple. A slurry is just some cornstarch and some liquid, and it helps thicken up your sauces.
Slurry.
There's 2 things that will help this stay stable. So this will definitely help thicken it up, keep it stable, but also another thing, and that is, can anybody guess what kind of cheese I'm using here?
Cheddar?
White American.
Oh,
yes.
It's the secret. This is for kids. This is fondue.
It's a great melting cheese.
It's a great melting cheese and has
What's
stabilizers
wrong with American?
galore in it.
Did I say anything?
Yeah,
Your face said it all. Your face.
It's the
Wow,
fan.
I'm a powerful guy.
crickets.
I swear, do you see his eyes rolled so far in the back of his head? He knows the
play
shape of his
poker?
Abdullah oblongata. All right, so we don't want to simmer this. We don't want to boil this. We want this just to gently melt, and that takes a little bit of time. While we're letting that milk and everything come to heat here, we're gonna get our 1 clove of garlic. All right, so we got
the
our
cheese is in.
cheese is in here. We got
Garlic.
just good, freshly grated whole milk mozzarella, right? Not from the bag. This will just ensure that the meltitude is correct if you don't use it from the bag. We already kind of put the cornstarch element that we dictated ourselves. We got the milk. No need for a roux here. And that awesome white American cheese to help kind of make it creamy and
Plus, you got the
stabilize it.
slurry, right?
Yeah.
That slurry does the
Yeah,
work.
that helps.
Yeah.
Cornstarch is magic.
So you see what happens, right? Like when I did this, I was like, that's crazy, right? But also, once those kind of natural things or unnatural things in the American cheese happen, it becomes really silky really fast. So keep an eye on it.
Listen, you can buy organic
salt.
American cheese.
Yeah, it's
You can.
great.
Yeah,
Listen,
it doesn't mean that it's fake stuff.
Yeah.
no.
I think also
Yeah.
kids, I swear my daughter's taste buds, when she was 7, she just said, "This is so strong, Mom." I feel like the kids, the blander, milder things, it introduces them. Then you hit them with the oysters and the anchovies.
Exactly.
That's right.
All right. We have ourselves a cast iron skillet right here.
You've not treated it. It's
I've
just
not treated it.
because it's
going
cast iron. It's already
cast iron.
seasoned.
I mean, that's a 4-ingredient cheese sauce. It would be perfect for do a little mac
Macaroni
and
in
cheese.
there.
Right, the garlic.
So good. Just
The
a little
garlic.
bit of garlic,
Yeah.
right? All right, we want this to cool down before we add everything, almost solidify a little bit, because we're gonna put it back in the oven in a minute. So I have a cooled one here. It's got a little more rigidity to it.
Yeah. Could cut that thing.
All right, what pizza dipper is not complete without a little pizza dough?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Love it.
Store-bought pizza dough. Get it from your pizzeria. Go to the refrigerated section. No need to make it. There's some great homemade. I mean, I have
I
a
agree.
ton of homemade doughs on foodnetwork.com. But like for something like this, what I want you to do, super simple. We're not going to cut into strips now, but I do want you to brush some melted butter, plenty of garlic salt on that. Throw it in the oven.
You got it.
All right. I'm
Do you
gonna
have
start.
to let that rest before you bring it out? When you bring it out? Or
I
just
mean,
throw
you
it in?
can, yeah. If you bake it now, kind of cold, it stays
Oh, right.
Flat.
That's
kind of a little more dense
okay.
and a little
I get it.
more
I agree.
rigid, so you can get a dip in. Remember, this is not just like dipping into marinara; it's dipping into cheese sauce. And
It's got to be. It's got to have some rigidity.
Structure. Yep.
Exactly. So
Jeff,
now,
do you want me to cut these?
yes, cut them. But keep them on the sheet
way.
pan. Cool down. Not from the fridge, but you could do this ahead of time. Now I got pizza sauce, right? And we are going to literally just
Oh, I love this.
top the kind of solidified cheese sauce with the just to give it structure, so it doesn't. I didn't want to mix pizza sauce with the cheese sauce.
No,
it
it's
just didn't make
levels to
sense.
it.
I wanted
Yeah,
I kind of have
Levels.
a deep dish vibe to it, right?
That's the beauty of a this is gonna remind me of like a queso fundido.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Where it's
Yeah.
like you got the cheese and then you've got like the chorizo. There's layers that you're
Yeah.
I
dipping
think
through there.
This would be so fun for a game night. If you're having people over, like playing cards or doing board games, get this out, have a few cocktails.
That's going in there 400 degrees for about 10, 15 minutes, slightly golden brown. Now I got some imported oregano.
Mexican?
Okay. Where'd you import it
From
from?
Cleveland. No. Yeah, just regular old Italian seasoning or oregano. Just a little bit.
This is great.
Kind of give it that. Look at that, beautiful. We
I
have
mean,
our
Iron Chef
pizza
style,
sticks.
cooked
If
in
you
1
want to
minute.
throw some over there on a, I know I told you I was going to put you
There.
to work today.
I love it.
Next comes the most funnest part. Even though funnest is not a word, we're going to use it a lot today, and that is the pepperoni. The secret to this, and they have it in most major grocery stores, look for like the cup and char pepperoni.
Yes. They're my favorite. And double cup, Jeff.
Double cup.
Double ply.
I-
That double cup is like, you know, the baby and the king cake, man.
Yep, and it's, so what happens is it usually has some thin casing that you can definitely eat, still attached to pepperoni. So when it hits that heat, it doesn't stay flat. It
Seizes
literally
up.
like curls up and traps all that delectable oil. Full coverage with the cup and char.
Because they seize up. Even when you give complete crust to crust, you know,
Yeah.
edge to edge is the ledge, you're going to open it up after you get it out of the oven, and there's going to be little areas because they seize up. I always overdo the pepperoni.
I agree.
I love this, Jeff.
I mean, you can always take pepperoni off, but you can't add more
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
All right, so this is gonna go under the broiler till when? All this stuff there's still some residual here on the bottom. Do you see that pepperoni curl up nicely? I got one ready for us right here, because I know you're chomping at the bit there,
Our
guys.
lucky day.
Ready for
Here
this.
we go. I'm so excited.
Same here. I don't want to look. I don't want to turn my
No,
head.
I'm already above the head.
Oh, look,
at
it
that.
goes right here, no? Yeah!
Stop it
Did you see
right
that jiggle?
now. Whoa.
Fondue jiggle.
I think you should jiggle it. You gotta jiggle it to show people.
All right, just to help tamper our fun a little bit, I got some nice steamed broccoli
No,
for you.
thank you.
Oh, yeah.
No, thank you.
That makes me feel good.
Well, and some nice whole mushrooms with the stems taken off that were slightly roasted. We got our fondue skewers here. Listen, I know we got to get through the
I'm going
barrier
for the
of the
broccoli.
pepperoni. She's about to lose that broccoli in there.
I want to get
You
that.
got to stab it. There you go.
pepperoni
Don't.
in there.
Oh! Come
Broccoli
on.
doesn't look so
I
bad
like
now,
that there's
does
a
it?
spoon here so I can just kind of make things happen. Look at
But
that.
you know what
Yeah.
I will say, Jeff? Making this for kids, it is more fun to eat your broccoli when it's in a pepperoni.
Amen to
fondue.
that.
Hello.
I think this is a precursor to the cheddar and broccoli soup gratin
Is it hot?
vibes.
Is it hot?
You know, fondue is the only thing you're legally allowed to double dip.
No.
There's no penalty in double
Really?
dip fondue.
No double dipping.
starting to make a lot of
You're
sense.
not touching it to your mouth, so you can hit the thing and go in.
That pepperoni.
The best thing about this is this opens your brain up.
Yeah.
Now you're like, well, I like a supreme pizza. So you've got the sausage. You can put sausage on there. You can cook peppers and onions, whatever toppings you like. Just leave the broccoli alone. All right?
And those breadsticks are really tasty.
Oh, I didn't even breadstick myself.
It's like you get the whole pizza vibe going with that. I love it.
I feel like you make this for the kids, and the adults are like, "Do you want any more of that?" And then they eat it.
It's like when the chicken fingers come out.
Exactly.
We have kicked this fun thing off in style. This is fun to eat, and it was fun to watch you make it.